freeway. Going back from Marianna. Put it in neutral. Coming to the red light. When I made this right, I'm gonna punch it after I get into second gear. Alright, here we go. First gear. Second gear. Here we go. Hear that? It's cutting the power. Shifting to third gear, shifting to fourth gear. I only stayed on it so long to give you an example there. I usually don't stay on it that long after it's starting to backfire like that. I'm going to upload the video to YouTube. I got another video that I took coming off the freeway at Marianna. I'll upload that one too.